Now, basically, trading platforms are platforms which allow you to trade various markets, okay? As you know, like we have physical markets for various goods, but here in Deriv, we have various markets for different entities, okay? Now, first of all, you can see something called volatilities, all right? We have something called volatilities, Traders Hub. So I'll start with this. I'll start with this part, demo. Now, as you can see, at the top right corner, you can see something called demo. This is basically demonstration money or demo money, okay? Now, what this means is that this is the amount that you can use to start teaching yourself to trade with. It is basically practice money. It is not real and you cannot withdraw it, all right? This is basically an amount that Deriv has given you so that you can be able to at least practice as a beginner, all right? Yeah, and a good thing about this is that you can always reset it. So even if you blow all this money or even if you deplete all this money, you can just come and reset. All right? Yeah, so this is what you call demo. So this is the place whereby you'll be seeing your balance. If you want to see your real balance, you'll just click there and then you click on real. And you can be able to see your real balance. Okay, as you can see, this is the amount I have in my account currently. Okay, so that is the difference between demo and real. Demo account is money. It's basically fake money that Deriv has given you so that you can be able to teach yourself. But as I've said, you cannot withdraw it. Real, it is your amount. Okay, yeah, so that is the difference between demo and real. Now we have finished that part. Now